used to. I watched them bloom.
And we know what to do. Did you come from the city? Who will I choose? We're in the woods, now we're in the woods. Now we're in the woods, we gotta take your two, cause we're two. We gotta cut you in two, cause we're two. Not one, not three, not four, not five, but two. But we're gonna be you.
Okay, I'm filming. Go.
Oh, your baby.
Is that it?
Down.
Then you can let him have whatever you want.
Oh my god, there's someone at the door. There's someone at the door. There's someone at the door. Better answer it.
I'm filming.
Yes.
Oh, hi, hello.
Did they do that? There was 180 hours.
Hey. Hi.
Welcome to Fintona.
Hi.
Vanessa Sullivan.
Hey.
Who's seeing this video?
Well, you next year probably.
What's it for?
Nothing.
It's Georgia. Woo! I want cheers. Whoa, I know. Prosciutto, parmesan. You got your yeah, you got your
History and I'll have some.
Teresa, you're so selfish. Hi, Bee.
Hi.
Hello, Bee. That's not her name. Her name is Budget Judge. Budget Judge. Walk away from Georgia.
I have not brought my switch yet.
Yeah.
I swiped something on my face.
Can I make a video? Can I read it? Why are you taping? No, you're not taping, are you? I know this trick where you like pretend that you're taping and you're not. Oh my god, it's true. They're not getting away from me.
Hey, Sunny.
Hey.
Any message for your future self?
When I see this, I'm going to be embarrassed by my curly wet fringe.
Nice apple there. Now, as we approach the common room, and this is where we find a species of the year 11 girl. Now, amongst the common room, we see variants of species, and as we look to the left, here we see the year 11 girls in their natural habitat, the common room.
Do you have a message for your future self?
Is she filming?
Yes.
You should have done better in year 10. I'm in year 11.
Hi! That sounded a lot like Holly, didn't it?
I've got to go to that bullshit. Let me talk on the mattress. That bullshit. Knee! 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 Kick! Kick!
Hello, this is our last house as
Ever.
cheese! What was that?
What did it
Tiff! She's an avatar.
Or as Mr. Peacock says, avatar.
S.